Hey guys, Tommy at Munn's Family Homestead. Hey, maybe kind of a little dark here. We're gonna take you on a ride with us that my wife and I got to do tonight. Our kids are kind of doing their own thing tonight. My son, of course, married and is with his wife and kids tonight. Our oldest daughter, she's with her kids tonight. And our youngest daughter, Lindy, who you see a good bit, she's at her boyfriend's house tonight having Christmas with them. So we got to go on a little adventure. I actually got to take her. I told y'all what I was going to do. I got to take her past Wendy's. We got a cheeseburger, fries, and a drink, and it was less than $23.40. I made at the scrapyard place, so I did make a little money. But we're going to take you on a little adventure just to see some lights. Stay tuned to the end because I got a special message for you. Hey guys, Tommy with Munn's Family Homestead. We want to wish you and yours the very merriest of Christmases. From our family to yours. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. He came here 2,000 years ago. And this is recorded in Luke chapter 2 in the Holy Bible in the New Testament. It will give you the account of his birth. And if you read Luke chapter 2, you will see exactly how he was born. I know people don't want to believe that, but I can promise you, if you read it and let the Holy Spirit speak to you, he will give you peace about it. There's so many that are going through so many different things tonight. People that have lost loved ones, people that have lost their homes and past storms, and there's a lot of us that forget to be grateful. I'm grateful for who God has made me, what he has given me, my family. He's given me a salvation that cannot be taken away. He's given me a home in heaven. So I just want you to know, we love you here at Munn's Family Homestead. May the joy and peace of Christmas be always with you, in you, and through you throughout your life. It's just not a one-day event. It's a lifetime event. God bless you. Merry Christmas. And thank you so very much for what you've done for our channel over the past year. Merry Christmas.